Olavita Tri-Lift Peptide Cream Review 2026, Scam or Legit? In this video, we're taking an honest look at the Olavita Tri-Lift Peptide Cream to find out whether it's a legitimate anti-aging skincare product or just another viral beauty product with exaggerated marketing. We'll examine how it works, the ingredients, customer experiences, and whether it's actually worth your money. Before we get started, if you're interested in buying this product, you'll find its purchase link in the video description below. Be sure to check it out after watching this video. Let's start with what Olavita Tri-Lift Peptide Cream claims to do. According to its advertising, the cream is designed to reduce wrinkles, firm sagging skin, improve elasticity, boost collagen production, and create a more youthful appearance. Like many peptide-based skincare products, it claims to deliver visible lifting and tightening effects within a short period of time. So, does it actually work? The honest answer is partly, but with realistic expectations. Peptides are genuine skincare ingredients, and scientific research suggests they can help support the skin barrier, improve hydration, and gradually reduce the appearance of fine lines when used consistently. However, there is currently no independent clinical evidence proving that the Olavita Tri-Lift Peptide Cream itself delivers the dramatic facelift-like results shown in many advertisements. Now let's talk about customer feedback. This is where opinions become much more mixed. While the company's own marketing highlights positive testimonials, independent review platforms contain a large number of complaints involving product effectiveness, unexpected subscription charges, refund difficulties, shipping issues, and customer service. Some buyers say they notice smoother or more hydrated skin, but many others report little or no visible improvement after several weeks of use. Another concern is the marketing. Some advertisements compare the cream to Botox or suggest it can replace cosmetic procedures. It's important to understand that topical peptide creams cannot work the same way as injectable Botox, which relaxes facial muscles through a completely different medical mechanism. Dermatologists generally consider these comparisons to be misleading. Now let's answer the biggest question. Is Olavita Tri-Lift Peptide Cream a scam? Based on the available information, there isn't enough evidence to say the product itself is an outright scam, because customers do receive a physical skincare product. However, there are significant warning signs surrounding the brand, including a high number of customer complaints, recurring reports of billing and subscription issues, refund disputes, and marketing claims that appear stronger than the available scientific evidence. The Better Business Bureau has also documented numerous consumer complaints regarding Olavita's business practices. If you're considering buying this cream, carefully read the ingredients, review the subscription terms before completing your purchase, and use a payment method that offers buyer protection. Also remember that no over-the-counter skincare cream can produce the same results as cosmetic procedures like Botox or surgical facelifts. Here's my honest verdict. Olavita Tri-Lift Peptide Cream appears to be a legitimate skincare product, but its advertising is much more impressive than the independent evidence supporting it. While the peptide ingredients may provide gradual improvements in hydration and fine lines, the dramatic anti-aging transformations shown in many advertisements should be viewed with skepticism. If you decide to purchase it, do so with realistic expectations and pay close attention to the ordering terms. If you'd like to check the latest price or purchase this product, you'll find its purchase link in the video description below. If you found this honest review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more unbiased product reviews, and let me know in the comments which product you'd like me to review next.